crazy. Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair, I just took it out of my scrunchie, which is awesome because for today's video I'm showing you some scrunchie hairstyles. But also don't forget to hit the notification, wait, what? Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, I would love to have you here and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. For today's video, I'm sharing with you how to get some scrunchie hairstyles. I went to Target, I picked up some scrunchies, and you guys have been requesting me to do this video, so baby, here I am. I'm super excited, I've been wearing them non-stop. I love you guys, and let's get into the video. Woohoo! That's why my hair looks like this. It was just in a scrunchie, so sorry, don't mind me. Also, you guys, I'm getting my hair done. I don't know when this video is going to go up, if it's going to be before or after, but I'm getting my hair done sometime this week, and I don't know when this video is going up. I'm really excited. My first scrunchie look, which is the one that I've been doing the most, is like, this is the easiest thing, and this is how I feel like every girl did their hair when they were little. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, boom! Do I look like I'm back in 3rd grade? Oh yeah, this is the first one. I like to call this, I promise my dog ate my homework. This next one, I like to call the Emma Chamberlain. If you watch her vlogs, you know what I'm talking about. I love her. This next one is what I call I'm cute and trendy, but I'm trying to keep it on the low. And you just wrap it down like this. I'm cute and trendy, and also this secretly looks kind of hot because like I look like a librarian, but I'm not. Right? We love it. Oh, about to fill you up and get right before the night is up. This next one is called Lyss, in literally probably 5th grade. I used to have a scrunchie that was hot pink, and around the edge was like silver, so that way it like reflected in the dark. I'm really cool. Okay. You're just gonna wrap it around, half up, half down. But the cool part about this one is it like makes your hair look like, look, I have so much body. Yes, body, yaddy, yaddy over here. I'm gonna, what is that saying? Hottie with a naughty body. It's me. You can also do this one. Ouch. But, ow. Do like this. Boom. This is called, I threw on a sweatshirt. I want to call my boyfriend, but I need to do my homework first. You know, I'm not in school. My next one is called, I didn't talk the whole time. This one is called, I really just want to go grab the mail. My mom made me go do errands, but like, boom, right? I like it. I just found one on Pinterest, and the girl literally just has it like this. You're gonna die. Wait, first of all, I'm gonna turn this into 2 different ones. I'm gonna first call this, this is called Saved by the Bell. Right? This is like adult JoJo Siwa. Okay, but also this chick just did that, literally. I call this one UFO. Ooh, now this one is the one I literally do 2-4-7 with my scrunchie. This is my favorite scrunchie one because it holds your ponytail so high. You just go like this. To me, I feel like a scrunchie should always be worn with a sweatshirt. Like it feels cozy, you know? Boom, there you go. Those are all of my scrunchie hairstyles. To be honest, I feel like I use my scrunchies when I just want to have a really laid back, relaxed look. Nothing fancy with it. I'll be very real here. I'm not really one on hair accessories. I just don't really ever use them because on me I feel like I look like a giant child. Do you know what I mean? But if you would like to see me test out different hair accessories and whatever, let me know in the comments below and I would love to do that for you. Also let me know, is there like any polished, like clean, slicked back scrunchie looks that you would like to see? I just have these basic colored ones, but I see people with like the nice scrunchies that like wrap them around a bun and it looks really cool, but they're like patterned and really beautiful. They think they're like silk. They're really nice. Let me know in the comments below so I could do that for you. Also let me know, back to school is gonna be, when do those videos start? Like the end of July, early August. That's in like a month, you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see around then because I know you guys love the back to school hair videos, so I can start planning those for you guys. You guys, I can't wait to film my hair videos when I don't have brown hair anymore. That's driving me crazy. Anyways, I love you guys so very much. Let me know what else you would like to see in the comments below, and I will see you soon. I'm ending this so weird. Okay, I'm getting weird. I've had so much coffee today. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.